Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file nails. First, ensure you have a quality e-file, various bits, and proper safety glasses. Always begin with a clean, dry nail plate, gently pushing back cuticles. Select the correct bit for your task, like a barrel bit for surface reduction. Hold the handpiece like a pencil, maintaining a light touch and consistent speed for optimal results and client comfort. For shaping, use a medium grit barrel bit, moving in one direction to create your desired form, such as square or coffin. Switch to a smaller, finer bit, like a flame bit, for precise cuticle area work, keeping the e-file flat against the nail. Refine sidewalls with a tapered bit, ensuring a smooth, even surface. Always work at a low to medium speed to prevent heat buildup and maintain control. To achieve a flawless finish, use a fine grit sanding band or a buffer bit, gliding it gently over the entire nail surface. If you encounter rings of fire or overfiling, immediately stop and assess your pressure and angle. For product removal, use a coarse barrel bit, working slowly and checking frequently to avoid damaging the natural nail underneath. Practice makes perfect for a smooth result. Proper e-file maintenance is crucial for longevity and hygiene. After each use, clean your bits with a brush and then sanitize them according to manufacturer instructions. Store your e-file and bits in a clean, dry case to protect them from dust and damage. This ensures they are ready for your next session. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.